Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. So from last video, I did the unboxing for the bag. So check the previous video. And today I gonna do unboxing for some jewelry I got. Also small leather goods I got. So first item will be this is a fashion jewelry. I really like fashion jewelry of Louis Vuitton because compared to the price, they have really good design and yeah, very unique design and good design. Their own signature style. So I really love it. So this one is leather bracelet. So the name is Essential because there's a V shape here, metal decoration. So Essential V bracelet. There is a monogram pattern all the way, and yeah, there's a closing part. You can close like this. Take this away like this. Yeah. So let me try it on. So there are 3 sizes of this bracelet. There were 15, 17 and 19. I got 17, but I think I have to get 15. Maybe I might need to change the size. It's very wide, see? It's not fit, so I think you need to get smaller one. If you have a thin wrist, I recommend you to get smaller size. And I was trying to match with Hermes bracelet. So initially I wanted to get this kind of leather bracelet. I wanted to match nanogram cuff and 1 or 2 leather bracelet, and also I can match with this together, Hermes bracelet as well. So I was checking, I tried it on in store, but I didn't like it. The nanogram cuff was kind of, this side is too narrow like this, and it's not easy to put on. Also to take off, it takes a long time. It's like there's like some click you have to do it, and it's not easy. So I didn't like it. So I just end up buying this Essential V bracelet. I really like it because it's simple. You can even match with another brand bracelet like this, thin like gold bracelet. So yeah, I really liked it. Yeah, I think if you can get 2-3 leather bracelet, you can mix match together. It's gonna be pretty cool to match. So I got this one, LV tribute bracelet. This is LV tribute bracelet. There is a charm here. Do you see? Like a back charm shape. Yeah, there is a LV logo all over. And you know this is not gold, but the gold tone metal, like brass, I think. So when you open, there is, let me show you, this, you can open like this, and let me try it on. So as you can see, this charm is so cute, like the LV logo in it. There is size 17 and 19, I chose 17, but it's just still a little bit snug fit, but still I like it. So when I choose this bracelet, I was not sure. There are so many leather bracelet with a charm. There was Arma bracelet. It's another kind of shape of bag, and there was a heart shape charm, which is crazy in lock bracelet. So both looks very cute, but this one looks simple, and I kind of can match with any outfit I feel like. So I chose this one. Last one is small leather goods. You can guess the size wise. Yeah, you can guess easily, I guess. You see flat shape. Yeah, card holder. So see, ta-da! I really like this because this side, when I was looking for the card holder, there were so many patterns, but this same shape, same style. But there was a Damier, Ibon. Damier. There was a Damier, there was a monogram, with inside there's a pink, or I think pink or like this color. Also there was epi leather. It has a lot of color like red, black, kind of green color as well. Yeah, and there was monogram imprint leather. There were imprinted leather. So there were like 5 kinds, and this one is a reverse canvas because this is like a main color theme, right? So like this side, this one is the main, this one is like inside, but like here reverse, different. I really loved it because sometimes, yeah, this side, sometimes this side, you can enjoy like different look. And I think this is very sturdy. I really love Louis Vuitton's card holder, so I really wanted to get, but I just didn't need before because I don't have usually small bag. So this time I got it because I got Chanel Miniflap. Also I got this mini bag. So let me try it on. I mean, put inside. Now, yeah, it's gonna fit very well right here. You can put with card holder. Oh my god, I love it. With this bag together. Yeah, so I chose monogram reverse canvas because this is very basic but classic, their own, you know, signature pattern. But it's not boring because this side is different tone. So I like this different tone. Yeah, so I chose this one. So these are all my choice. 2 bracelet, leather bracelet, and card holder. Yeah, I really like Louis Vuitton's. Louis Vuitton try many design these days compared to old days. So why not? We can really try. I really wanted to try something like this, and yeah, their bracelet is so cute. Yeah, I really loved it. How was it? Hope you enjoyed this video, and then I hope it helped to find the right item you are looking for. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you had a good holiday and have had a good time with your friend and family. And yeah, so I gonna do fashion related any subject topic. So please let me know if you want me to do some specific topic related to fashion or life in LA. So yeah. This is it. Please subscribe my channel and thumbs up, turn the notification. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you soon.